Hello, let's take a look at how to unlock the MD1 CS012 for Hyundai and KIA, using EngineDance X5 in boot mode. First, you'll need to open the ECU and remove resistor. Here's our software interface. It provides step-by-step guidance throughout the entire process. After open the cover of ECU, find that resistor on the PCB and remove it. Then find the E1 point, make sure you've identified it correctly. Connect your X5 to the boot adapter, link the adapter pin to E1. Then use the jumper box to connect ECU connector interface and X5. Now we wait for the X5 to communicate with the ECU. It'll need about 5 minutes. Once it connects, you'll see the unlock menu. Just pick the unlock option at the bottom, click it, and wait for the software to say success. Then your ECU is unlocked. You can read and back up the original flash and EEPROM data while still in boot mode. No need to unlock it yet if you just want to read or write. Of course, you can also read and write after unlock in bench mode after you make ECU return to original status. On top of that, we also support more MD1 unlocks, including boot mode and a remote option that doesn't require opening the ECU at all. Just reach out to us for more info.